Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. My name is Nidhalfi Abdullah. I'm a student of English Education Department, Teacher Training and Education Faculty, Universitas Pancasakti Tegal. Okay, I will present about my research. The title is The Effects of Using Apples-to-Apples Game on Students' Vocabulary Achievement. The background of the research: students had low motivation to learn English. Students thought English was difficult because they lack of vocabulary mastery, and the learning method still use conventional method. Game-based learning is an upcoming method to teach various topics in educational setting. The researcher interested to using apples-to-apples game to improve the students' vocabulary achievement, because apples-to-apples game is board game that can be adapted to teach vocabulary in the learning process. Identification of the problem: there are three. The first is students had low motivation in learning English. Students thought that English is difficult because they lack of vocabulary. And the last one is the conventional method that used by the teacher made them felt bored. Okay, the limitation of the problem: the research focused on use apples-to-apples game on student vocabulary achievement of 9th grade students of SMPN 19 Kota Tegal in academic year 2023-2024. The statement of the problem: first, is there any effect of using apples-to-apples game on student vocabulary achievement? And is there any significant difference of vocabulary achievement between students who are taught using apples-to-apples game and students who are not taught using apples-to-apples game? The objective of this research to find out whether apples-to-apples game effect on students' vocabulary achievement or not, and to find out whether there is significant difference after using apples-to-apples game on students' vocabulary achievement or not. Okay, vocabulary, according to Celestia Ningsi, a vital component of language learning, particularly when teaching and learning English, is vocabulary. And teaching vocabulary. This is apples-to-apples game is a card game of comparison with the goal of winning as many red non-cards as possible. The game consists of two decks of cards, red deck and green card. Okay, the hypothesis. The alternative hypothesis: there is effect of using apples-to-apples game on student vocabulary achievement in 9th grade of SMPN 19 Kota Tegal 2023-2024. Null hypothesis: there is no effect of using apples-to-apples game on students' vocabulary achievement in 9th grade of SMPN 19 Kota Tegal. Okay, the researchers use quantitative approach. The type of this research is experimental research, and the design of this research is through experimental design. The researchers use pretest and post-test control group design. Okay, the population. The 9th grade of SMPN 19 Kota Tegal in academic year 2023-2024. The sample of this research, the researchers took 2 classes for the control group design and for control group and experimental group. Okay, the data collecting technique: use pretest and post-test, pretest before the treatment and post-test after the treatment. Okay, the testing of the instrument, validity and reliability, the technique of analyzing the data, scoring and use the test in SPSS 22, the data analysis, use descriptive statistic analysis, normality test and hypothesis test, hierarchy test and the independent sample test. Okay, there is research result and discussion. From 50 questions, there are 32 questions which is valid. So the researcher took 30 questions for the pretest and post-test. Okay, the process was tested in experimental class and control class. The treatment, there are 6 meetings for conducting the treatment. Okay, the normality test, the result based on the data above. The data is more than 0.5. That means the data was normal distributed. And the hypothesis test, based on the data above, it showed there was significant score after use apples-to-apples game to students with good achievement. Okay, based on the data above, it can be concluded that the score of pretest between experimental class and control class, there were no significant difference for. But for the post-test, the score of post-test between experimental class and control class had significant difference. This discussion, okay, the results show that the average of post-test in the experimental class was 77.8, while the average of post-test at the control class was 65.70. The result of the biased sample t-test, it can be seen by the significant tile is less than 0.5. It means that AA was accepted and AO was rejected. Based on the explanation above, it showed there was different significant score after using apples-to-apples game to students' vocabulary achievement. Conclusion and suggestion. Okay, conclusion, I mean, the study's findings support the hypothesis that there was a substantial difference in student performance between the experimental class and control class design, which used the apples-to-apples game to teach. The result of this research showed that there was significant difference between pre-test and post-test score. Okay, so the result, it means that AA was accepted and KO was rejected. So the result of this research is there was effect on students' vocabulary achievement after using apples-to-apples game. Okay, thank you. I think enough for me. This is my presentation. Thank you so much for your nice attention. Bye-bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.